Hello. Let's take 5 minutes to recharge your energy body. The simple act of pressing these top 12 points will reset your body so that chi, health, and happiness can flow more easily. It's a quick way to restore balance to physical and even emotional issues. And it's even more important during times of big transformation. And it's free. These are the 12 points universally needed by almost everyone on Earth. Just a few minutes will unblock your meridians, release emotions, and give you mental clarity. Use gentle, firm pressure on each point for about 10 seconds as you breathe. Before we start, place the tip of your tongue against the upper teeth and relax it there. This connects the vertical meridians of the body to balance your health. The first point is Kidney 1, or Gushing Springs, on the bottom of the foot. This point is the foundation of your ancestral DNA, called Jing, your deepest energy resources from your parents and your lineage. Do both and press deeply in. If you feel pain, it's a good sign. Lean into it a little bit. The second point is Bladder 1, called Jing, right here, the inner corner of the eyes. This point stimulates our visual perception of light, the brain, the pineal gland, and the whole endocrine system. It regulates the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. It also balances blood sugar levels, protective Wei Qi, and your perception of the world around you. The next point is Spleen 21. Spleen 21 is just in front of the arms, one hand width below the underarm on the sides of the ribs. It's usually tender and exacerbated by bra underwires. It balances left-right sides of the body and brain, helps stabilize blood sugar levels and PMS symptoms. It's probably very painful. Just massage it and enjoy. This also reconnects our ability to receive unconditional love. Spleen 6 is on the inside of the lower leg, called 3 meridians, where 3 meridians come together. It's one hand width up from the ankle bone. This point balances the whole body and many, many issues, including all emotions, digestion, and sickness. Anything that's stuck or rigid, this point will help to soften. The fifth point is large intestine 4 on the back of the hand in the web between the index and the thumb. This increases the flow of qi through all meridians. Let me see if I can show it to you. It's right here. It's painful and especially good for the large intestine meridian, which is in charge of releasing things we don't need. This point is good for headaches. Try the other side. Neck aches, toothaches, constipation, grief, and stubborn fundamentalism. The next point is Lung 1. Cross your arms and press your middle finger about 1 inch below your collarbone. In me, this feels like the reservoir of grief. This point dissolves grief and opens the body to spirit, to restore a secure connection to God and nature. Heart 1 is the supreme spring in the front underarm, just under the shoulder joint. It's under this big muscle here. Press in and against the ribs. You'll find a point that's really sore. This point touches your supreme controller, your inner power that already knows the energy inside is the same as what's outside. So this point is about connecting to your deepest source. Try the other side. This also dissolves the pain of betrayal, heartache, loneliness, and separation. Gallbladder 20, under the occipital ridge on the back of the head, there's a depression under the occipital bone. This point is good to massage if you get cold or are getting a cold, or if you have nasal congestion or a headache. It's especially for stress, too much sensory input, or staring at a cell phone. Hold your head gently with both hands and massage. The next point is small intestine 4. Put your palm up on the heel of the hand where the dark palm and lighter colors meet. Press in and you'll find a very strangely painful point. This point is for digestion and healthy microbiome. If you overeat, this is helpful. It promotes mental clarity and eradicates brain fog. Do it on both sides. The small intestine is about sorting what you need from what you don't need, and this is good for everybody. The next point is stomach 36. It's on the knee, one hand width under the knee on the outside of the lower leg, diagonally. This point is for everything. It improves endurance, digestion, insomnia, depression, emotions, overthinking, and PMS. In fact, it's called the Susan Li 3-mile point. The Chinese armies, I'm massaging the point. It's kind of numb on me because the Chinese armies used to stop and massage this point every 3 miles because then the soldiers could basically go on forever. Endurance. The 11th point is liver 3, or Tai Chung, on the upper side of the foot. Follow the two tendons up, the largest two tendons up, big toe and second toe, until there's a little hole at the top of the first and second tendons. This amazingly versatile point dissolves stagnation, anger, insomnia, and diabetes. You can do both at the same time. It calms constipation and even sexual issues. It helps to ground the body to connect to earth. The last point is Hui Yin, or the perineum. And I'm telling you, this is actually the most important point to release, but we're doing it last because some people get frightened. Don't be shy. The perineum point is a lateral band of muscles between the sex and the anus on both male and female. Massage this point and use your flashlight fingers to insert light and healing energy. If you massage this in the shower or bath every day, it will gradually become very, very soft and healthy. It may take a few days or weeks for you to teach it to stay soft. Hui Yin point regulates your ancestral life force, your transformation, your survival, your groundedness, your deepest resources, and your creativity. This Hui Yin point, interestingly, connects up through the Sushumna column to the pineal gland in the brain, and up to the central sun of the galaxy, and of course down through the root to Mother Earth. Keep this point soft to calm the mind and stimulate the deepest root of your energy. In conclusion, you can heal your body and your mind with acupressure and qigong. Just follow the ancient way of the Tao. Thank you.